This will be a channeled message for your highest good. I trust that this found you at the perfect time. I really appreciate you being here. I do timeless readings, and if you have found this, you're meant to find it. Let's see what Spirit has for you today. Thank you, Divine. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go here, here, and here. Ooh, that one's spinning. That one's spinning around and around. These cards are slippery. Your most recent past is the Seven of Cups. This could be identity shift. This could be you feeling like you have a lot of options or a lot of things that you want to do, or in picking things to change. You could be changing your home. You could be changing your identity. You could be changing who you date. You could be changing all kinds of stuff. You're afraid that your money's not coming in, though. You're afraid of success. You're afraid of money. That could be a good or a bad thing. It could cause a lot of worry, which could breed a lot of worry, but it could also help you manifest. Because whatever you focus on grows. So if you're focusing on money, then your money should grow. But if you're focusing on the wrong side of the coin, then your legacy might be stalled. I'm getting that you probably... There's some kind of issue in regards to communicating. Like, you're having a trouble either speaking up or speaking or being a public speaker. You're unable to communicate your philosophies. You're unable to communicate maybe where you want to go or how you want to get there, or you're having a hard time speaking up, communicating, those kind of things. Maybe it's because your person is very cold. It's like or at work, it's a very harsh environment for you to speak up. It's like you're talking to a brick wall, or you're talking to a rock, or you're talking to somebody who just doesn't listen, doesn't hear you, what you're trying to say. A strong emotional person could be entering your life. That's kind of what I'm getting from that. Do things the traditional way. Ooh, this is money. This is money. This is like work. Trying to talk to somebody at work, or trying to get your trying. This is like, I've got this idea. I've got this grand master plan for my work, and I love it, and I'm going after it. And it's like, when you open your mouth or when you try to communicate this to people, they freeze or they're frozen, and you're like, nobody is hearing you. It's like I'm getting painting. I'm getting what's it? It's like learning how to do something a certain way before you get creative. This came through the other day. It's like learning how to do the basics before you try to be the entrepreneur or the you're trying too hard to be above people that should be mentoring you. You want to be the best already, and you're not. They're not listening. You're trying to be the best at what you're doing when you need to be sitting back and listening to what other people are saying, or being coached. How could I be a better listener and follow a guru, or follow my boss, or follow somebody? How come, like, you're like giving all these great ideas? Yes, you've got fabulous ideas. You're like a really excited kid who just like found out that they're able to do something, and you're just like overly excited, like an excited dog, like, ah, why isn't anybody listening to me and my ideas? They're like, have you seen da 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 da, and their ideas and what they're trying to do here? Like they're not even able to do the basics yet, and they're trying to be above me. This is like a seniority thing. Like, you'll get there. The painting thing came back. Maybe this is you becoming the elder, like maybe embracing just your youth, or embracing where you're at, and focus more on listening, or focus more on just like really mastering what you're doing. Write down your ideas. Maybe you've got lots and lots of ideas for this type of business. Maybe in the future you can have your own business doing this thing, whatever it is you're doing. Write the things down. Like if nobody's listening to you, female, I'm getting a female boss or female. Take what you're learning and really absorb the basics. You're like, oh, I don't want to. This hurts. I don't want to. I don't want to learn. This is totally in regards to your money. Building your legacy, building your wealth, getting to the top of the company. But it's new. It's still new. You're still at the bottom. And you hate it. You absolutely hate that you are the new person. It's like maybe you've done this before, or you had lots of experience at a different company, but you're like the new person at this place. And you're like, is it ever going to happen for me? Am I ever going to get enough money? It's going to happen. You just got to keep going. Listen to people. Listen to the people who are doing it, and then you'll get in. Right? Then you'll get to getting. You don't get to getting in there. Don't disregard your ideas, because they are there for you, for this. I'm just picking up on needing to know more, needing to study more, needing to be more on top of what you're actually doing at work, to make it seem like you know what you're doing. Maybe there's like maybe there's a pullback energy. Let's see what before I touch, what do we want to know? We want to know it's a new career. Tell us about the recent past, please. Yeah. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to love it. I'm going to do this, and I'm taking massive action. I'm taking massive action on my passions, my career, where how am I going? You did this already. You've already moved towards something. Lots of action towards some kind of career that you want or have wanted, and it's going too slow. This is going too slow for you. You want to be moving faster. You want to be the master at this. All right. Tell us more. Why do you hope and fear the Ten of Pentacles? Because you're starting at the bottom. You're starting at the bottom. That's all it is. You want to be at the top before your time. But why are people not listening to you? It's because you're a page. Just let them be masters. Let them. You don't talk so much. I'm getting. Don't just keep it zip and okay. And then as you progress and as you keep going, then open your mouth. But I'm getting like, keep it shut. Keep the communication shut. Don't talk so much. It's going to be hard for you. I know. This is your challenge. Why are they not listening to me? I've got all these great ideas. I've been doing this for 20 years. But you're the new person. You're still the page. You're still the page. This is you. The Page of Pentacles, moving nice and slowly. But this is such a good thing, though. This is exactly who you are. You're doing something that brings you excitement and passion and joy and fire. It's like fire on fire energy. You've manifested this. You're bringing this into your reality, and it's here. All right, tell us. Okay. Oh. Ace of Pentacles. It's okay to be the new person. This was a gift from the divine. This was brought to you as inspiration, and now you've taken action on it, and now it's actually a physical thing. I'm getting that you possibly could have started your own business, and maybe people are not responding the way that you expected them to respond. Maybe online. Maybe this is like an online business, and you're still like waiting for the egg to crack. Okay, I'm just gonna leave these over here. They're not speaking quite yet. I mean, you got a double sun. You got a double sun, a double Ace of Pentacles, and a double Ace of Wands. This is something you very much enjoy. This is something that you very much love. This is something that's from your heart. It's a heart-based energy. It's your vitality. It's your life. It's what brings you joy and happiness. And you got the Empress here. It's like Venus herself. The goddess of money. The goddess of beauty. You could be just looking good doing it. Or maybe this is some kind of beauty business. Or where you're helping people look as good as you. Okay. What else? You know. Tell us. Anything more? I feel like we've got the message out. Anything more? Just go slow, boo. Go real slow with this. Okay? This is something that's going to bring you your dreams fulfilled. Your wishes, you know, are your command. Like this is the divine going, here, everything that you've ever asked for, here you go. It's coming. But it's building. You're building. You're building your building. You're building your business. You're whatever it is. Whatever you now have in the physical, the new whatever it is, now that you have this in the physical, the universe is like, hang tight, buddy. Hang tight. Don't rush it too fast. Like, enjoy the journey. This is a enjoy the journey reading. Enjoy the path to the Ten of Pentacles. Enjoy the path to being a master. Accept that you are knowledgeable enough to be a master, but like proving it, like learning how to prove it. Like, how do I prove that I know what I'm talking about? How do you prove that you know what you're talking about? Love. Embrace it, or come at people with more love. Like, I feel like you're sending your you're sending your advertisements out with too many swords. People can feel that. Like, if you want people to buy, it's like, buy now or you're gonna die. Step into the master. Step into the master of love. Act as if you are already the master and you have nothing to prove. I'm getting like too much proving energy. Like, they're not listening because it's a different type of energy. Come into it on a different like perspective, with a different perspective. Or all, like, embody yourself into a certain energy before you create the ads, or before you create the slogans, or before you tell somebody about it. Like you'd mass message like your whole phone list, but it was like just it was kind of condescending or it was cold. You remember like you want people to you want to be warm, you want people to be attracted to you. You don't want to be the wall. You don't want to attract the wall. If you're a wall, you're going to attract a wall. A frozen wall, you know. Okay? Be the love. Be the warmth. Be the love, be the warmth. Okay? Good luck. If this resonated at all, please like, subscribe. Until we meet again, take care.